Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Humanizer Skill to Claude AI. To begin, open Claude and start from the New Chat page. This is a good place to begin because it ensures you are already inside the main Claude workspace before moving into your account settings. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure the interface is fully visible so it's easier to locate the menu options in the next steps. Next, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu where Claude keeps important options related to your workspace, preferences, and customization tools. If you do not immediately see it, give yourself a second to scan the lower left corner carefully, since that is where the profile area is usually located. From the Profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the section where you can manage and personalize how Claude works for you. Settings is the main control panel for adjustments like this, so once you are here, you are in the right place to add a new skill. Inside Settings, click on Skills. This section is specifically designed for managing custom skills, which can help tailor Claude's behavior for certain tasks or writing styles. In this case, you are working toward adding the Humanizer skill, so this is the area where that setup begins. Now look toward the top right corner of the Skills page and click Add. This starts the process of creating or importing a new skill. If your screen layout looks slightly different, just look for the Add option in the upper right area of the Skills panel. After that, click Upload. This tells Claude that you want to bring in a skill file rather than build everything manually from scratch. It's a straightforward option, but it's an important one because it moves you into the file selection process. Next, click the area labeled Drag and Drop or click to Upload. You can either select your file by browsing your device or drag the file directly into the upload box. If you already know where the skill file is saved, this part should only take a moment. If not, it may help to pause briefly and locate it before continuing. Once the file has been selected, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the upload and setup. Claude may show prompts or confirmation steps depending on the file and your account setup, so just proceed through each instruction carefully until the skill is fully added. And that's it. You've now walked through the process of adding the Humanizer skill to Claude AI.